on, Thor.
Get your head in your way. He probably knows he's on camera, man.
Oh my God, I know he's performing now. He's like, oh yeah, look at you guys. I can't believe you don't get dizzy.
Good boy.
Yeah, good
show,
Thor.
boy, good show.
I'll have to figure out how to like put this on a DVD or something for you guys. Oh yeah.
He is. You know damn well he's just showing off.
Yeah, he is. Like right in front of the video. Yeah, he didn't keep going. He's like, yeah.
When he's down here by himself, which he usually is, if you watch him from the house, he does a lap, you know.
Yeah.
He's definitely on stage. Oh, you're on center stage, boy.
Oh my God. Animals are so funny. Continuous forms of entertainment.